Welcome to Indiraa's kitchen, where I am always hot, never cross, and have very nice buns. So today we're going to use hot cross buns, bread and butter pudding. I'm making it up this time, so we're going blind. So without further ado, let me tell you, hot cross buns, butter more just to grease up the pan, some brown sugar, 3 eggs, a cup of milk, and cinnamon, and a large cup of custard, backup sugar always, and don't forget whipped cream. There's always a racket when there's whipped cream. So let's go. Fingers crossed, buns crossed. So here we go. I am going to put in my hot cross bun into the bottom of this little cake doodah here. And we're taking only the bottoms off this one, okay? That's really beginning to sound bad here. And there. As you can see, you don't have to go amazingly neat with everything you do in the kitchen. Half the fun is just doing it the way you want, and the other half is doing it the way you want. So there you go. And there, and there. And here we have 1 dozen. I'm going to put that aside on my numerous serviettes because I make such a mess. That's gone there. And here we add. I'm going to start with cracking the eggs in. Three. I've used medium eggs. You know, all this fuss about medium, large, blah, blah, blah. I don't do that, okay? Half a cup of brown sugar, my whole milk, my large custard thing in there. Cinnamon. You see, it's so easy, isn't it? And I always use a hand one. I don't like electric stuff, only because I have to look for a plug point. And see, it's quite happy and thick. Now, slightly undersweeten things because then I can add a little sugar on top and it always looks nice and, well, pretty. And that's gone in. And here we go. And phew, I had enough. Now, in case you're wondering what I did with the butter, I actually buttered the hot cross buns. But what I am going to do is put a little wee small dollop of it on top, but not huge amounts of it. So just like that. We don't like too much of anything, do we? Doesn't work very well. And that's there. Hello there, Axel. Axel's hoping something will fall off. Didn't happen, darling. So that's the last 2 of the dollops done. And I am going to pop this in the oven, which I've already heated to 180 degrees. And there we have it. Look at that. What do you think? I'm going to plate this up for you in a minute when it cools down for a second. There you go. Now we have to get all the right implements. Oh, look at that. Oh, fluffy and nice. Ooh. Oh, okay, somebody help me. Oh, nothing like a strong man in the kitchen. And now, it's one of those days. There you go. How nice is that? Come on. There's just one more thing to do now. Hell, my diet. Hell, my diet. This is Inidraa saying, bon appetit.